everyone, and welcome to Learn with Mrs Nakhle. We are looking at the alphabet series, and in the alphabet series, we are learning the letter K. The letter K makes the K sound. Let's have a closer look. K for kid. K for kid. K for king. K for king. K for kit. K for kit. K for kitchen. K for kitchen. K for kittens. K for kittens. Look at the pictures on the following slides. Read the words with me. Do they start with the K sound? We will check at the end to see if you were correct. Which picture makes the K sound? Confetti. Does confetti make the K sound? Be careful with this one. It's a little bit tricky. Kangaroo. Does kangaroo make the K sound? Tacos. Does tacos make the K sound? Key. Does key make the K sound? Karate. Does karate make the K sound? Kite. Kite. Does kite make the K sound? Baby. Baby. Does baby make the K sound? Koala. Koala. Does koala make the K sound? Did you find the same words as I did? Did you find kangaroo, key, karate, kite, and koala? I know there was a tricky word in there, and that was the word confetti. Confetti makes K sound, but it does not start with the letter K. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment for me. See you next time. Bye.